In this video, we will solve the questions of class 7th, chapter 2, fractions and decimals, exercise 2.1. We will solve the addition and subtraction of fractions. So let's start. The question 1 is 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Both of these fractions are unlike. First of all, we will convert this unlike fractions into like fractions. For converting the unlike fractions into like fractions, first of all take the LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 1 and 5, so the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Take the first fraction 2 by 1 and write down the LCM number here and make it like fraction. 2 by 1 multiply by 5, you will get 5 here. If you multiply with 5 here, you will have to multiply with 5 here also. So you will get 2 into 5, 10, and 1 into 5, 5. Again write down the second fraction, that is 3 by 5. Write down the LCM number here and then multiply with 1. If you multiply with the 1 in the denominator, you will have to multiply it in the numerator also. So you will get 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5. So finally you will get 10 by 5, write down here. 3 by 5, write down here, and then subtract it. On subtracting, you will get 7 by 5. Now convert this fraction into mixed fraction. So how will you convert it into mixed fraction? You will have to divide it. You will have to divide the 7 by 5. So divide the 7 by 5. You will get 2 as remainder and 1 as quotient. So here is the way to write the number in mixed form. Write down the quotient here, remainder in the numerator and divisor in the denominator. So your answer is 1, 2 upon 5. Okay. So next sum, 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Take the LCM of the denominators, that is 1 and 8, you will get 8. Now 1 by 1 take the fractions. 4 by 1, make it equivalent to the LCM, that is 8. How will you get 8? You will have to multiply it with 8 in the denominator and 8 in the numerator. You will get 32 by 8. Take the second fraction, that is 7 by 8. Make it equivalent to the LCM number 8. So you will have to multiply it with 1 in the denominator, 1 in the numerator itself. You will get 7 by 8. Now add up both the fractions. You will get 32 plus 7, that is 39 by 8. Change it into mixed fraction by dividing 39 by 8. You will get 4 as the quotient and 7 as the remainder. So 4, 7 by 8 is your answer. Next question is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Take the LCM of 5 and 7. We will use the common division method of LCM in this to solve the LCM. So take the LCM of 5 and 7, you will get 35. So take the first fraction 3 by 5, make it equivalent to the LCM 35. Multiply it with 7 to get 35 here. If you multiply it with the 7 in the denominator, you will have to multiply with the same number in the numerator itself. You will get 21 here. Take the second fraction 2 by 7, multiply it with 5 to get 35 here, and multiply it with the same number in the numerator itself. You will get 10 here. Add up these fractions, you will get 31 by 35. It is not possible to convert this into mixed fractions, so 31 by 35 is your answer. Next question is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Take the LCM of 11 and 15. You will get 165. Take the first fraction 9 by 11. Multiply it with 15. You will get 165. Here you will get 135. Take the second fraction. Multiply it with 11. You will get 165. Multiply it with 11 itself in the numerator also. You will get 44. So take the numbers, take the fractions here one by one and then subtract it. You will get 91 by 65. It is not possible to convert this into mixed numbers. So 91 by 165 is your answer itself. We cannot convert the 91 by 165 into mixed fraction because it is a proper fraction. Improper fractions cannot be converted into mixed fractions. Similarly, 39 by 8 is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So improper fractions are always changed into mixed fractions and proper fractions cannot be changed into mixed fractions. Fifth part, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Take the LCM of the denominators 10, 5 and 2. You will get 10. Use the common division method to get the LCM. You will get the LCM 10. And after that, take the first fraction 7 by 10. Make it equivalent to the LCM number 10. Multiply it with 1 to get 10 here. This is the LCM number. So if you multiply it with 1 in the denominator, you have to multiply it with the 1 in the numerator also. You will get 7 by 10 here. Then write down the second fraction 2 by 5. Make it equivalent to the LCM number 10 here. You will have to multiply it with 2 to get 10 here. If you multiply it with 2 in the denominator, you will have to multiply with the same number in the numerator also. You will get 4 here. So 4 by 10. Third fraction 3 by 2. Make it equivalent to the LCM number 10. You have to multiply it with 5 in the denominator and the numerator itself. So 15 by 10. Now combine all the fractions. You will get 26 by 10. Then reduce it to the lowest form by dividing by 2. You will get 13 by 5. 13 by 5 is the improper fraction. So you have to convert it into mixed fraction by dividing it. So divide the 13 by 5. You will get 2 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. So 2 3 by 5 is your answer. Now coming to the next part, there are two mixed numbers written here, that is 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. First of all, we have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So how we will convert this into? We have to multiply it with 3 multiply 2 plus 2. 3 multiply 2 plus 1. So look here, 2 multiply 3 plus 2 upon 3. The denominator will remain the same. 3 multiply 2 plus 1 upon 2. So you will get 3 2s are 6 here plus 2 and 3 2s are 6 here plus 1. So 6 plus 2 will become 8 upon 3. 6 plus 1 becomes 7 upon 2. Now take the LCM of 3 and 2. You will get 6 here. And then take the fractions one by one. First of all, take the fraction 8 by 3. Make it equivalent to the LCM number 6. So multiply it with 2 in the denominator and the numerator itself. You will get 16 by 6. And take the second fraction 7 by 2 and make it equivalent to the LCM number 6. Multiply it with 3 in the denominator and with the same number in the numerator itself. You will get 21 by 6. So you will have to add up these fractions, 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6. You will get 37 by 6. Now we will convert this 37 by 6 into mixed fraction. You will get 6 1 by 6. We will have to divide the 37 by 6. So you will get 6 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Last question of this question, addition and subtraction of fractions. This is the last part. 8 1 by 2 and minus 3 5 by 8. Convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Convert this also into improper fraction. You will get 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8. Take the LCM of 2 and 8. You will get 8 here by the common division method. And take the fractions one by one. 17 by 2, 29 by 8. Make it equivalent to the LCM number 8. After taking the LCM of 2 and 8, that is 8, take the first fraction 17 by 2, make it equivalent to the LCM number 8. You have to multiply with 4 in the denominator, and in the numerator itself you will get 68 by 8. Take the next fraction 29 by 8, make it equivalent to the LCM number 8. You have to multiply it with 1 in the denominator and the numerator itself. You will get 29 by 8. Then subtract both the fractions. You will get 39 by 8. 39 by 8, which is an improper fraction. So you will have to convert it into mixed number. You will get 4 7 by 8, which is your final answer.